Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you have not seen my planner lineup video, I will highly recommend that you watch it in the top eye. Today I'm going to get into details of my tall elephant planner and tell you how am I going to use. If you have seen my planner lineup video, you already know that the tall elephant planner is essentially going to be my journal. I'm going to use this as my daily journal. It will be sitting on my nightstand and I'm going to go into details on how I'm planning to use each and every spread in this video. So stay tuned if you want to see how I'm going to use my tall elephant planner. So essentially the first page is where is my name and everything. This page I have something really exciting. As in this last video I had mentioned, I've printed out some custom stickers. This is where all that custom stickers will go and how it will be when I'm setting up, you guys will know. This is a spread which is what I love. Again, here I will put what I actually love about myself, and here I'm planning for a very unique spread which I am inspired by essentially this spread which says I am, and here I will put in visual format what do I think I am. So all of that will be here. Then I have, obviously I'll put the recap, and this will be exactly how it is meant to be. This will be my period tracker. I will not put in any birthdays or anything here. I will track my periods here. So if there is something that has been extremely off about my period that month, I will write it. I'll write in the notes here. So this is how I intend to use this particular spread. This of course will be my vision board. This again will be my goals, and I will do a separate video on setting up each of these. This is where I intend to do a very unique spread here which says me. So how do I perceive myself? So there are two different my spreads that I'm going to do. Here I'm going to do an I am spread, and here as how I want to project myself, what is me and the better me that I'm looking for will come here. This is where I want to put up a vision board, and very specifically for my mom life and my family life. So this is where the family me will go, and this is exactly how it is intended to. I intend to use all of this how they are intended to. So books will have all my books covered. Memories, I intend to write one line or one small paragraph, a couple of lines every month here denoting my highlight of the month. Of course movie, TV will go as is. People, proudest moment, again I will use this exactly how it is meant to be. Blank pages, currently I have no use for them. Here this is my yearly tracker. Here in pixels, again I will number them, you already know. I don't color them, I generally number them, and by numbering I can have an average of the entire month, and it will tell me how my entire month was in a quick glance, whether was it good, bad, an average score of my month. As you guys know, I'm super analytical. And on this page I intend to do a spread which is appropriate for the month and whatever I'm attracting to this particular month. I have already decided what I want to put in for the month of January. So that is what I'm going to put up for the month of January here. Otherwise this particular page I will use in a very different format every month depending on what I want myself to be inspired of or what I'm attracting, to be very frank. Then this planner spread, I will only use this planner spread for birthdays, anniversary, events, holidays. I will only use this planner spread for that. I will not write in any to-dos. I will not write anything here. So this planner spread will be only used for personal use, so to say. This again will be my night journal space where I will journal a couple of paragraphs every night. So this will be used for that. One thing that I definitely don't intend to do in this book is not to use any kind of stickers. Two reasons to that. One is this will be my night journal, and I don't want to spend the night thinking about stickers and things that get me excited. Essentially I want to wind down with this journal. Second thing, one of the cons that I completely missed out is there is no back pocket. So if I have to keep my stickers, they need to be in a separate place. This cannot be on my nightstand. So that is the reason I will not put any stickers on this. Again, if you know me well, I will end up using stickers, but the intention is not really putting any stickers here. Then I have the brain dump. Again, I'm going to use this as a brain dump. Goals tracking, I'm going to do this properly every month. Happiness jar, again I'm going to use this. Emotions tracker and the gratitude tracker, I'm not sure if I'm going to use this page. I may just add my happiness jar, extend this, or in like the Simba lifestyle has a worry jar, I can actually put in an extra insert here and put my worry jar here. So if I'm worrying about something late in the night, when I'm almost winding down, I can just write it down here. When I'm writing my happiness, it's better to write your worries down. So I will possibly make a worry jar here. Again, I'm not sure of it as of now, but yeah, that's the plan. Then I have habit tracker. Now this particular habit tracker I'm specifically going to use for my family members. If you have seen my December plan with, you know that I actually track if I'm spending enough time with each and every members of my family, if I'm calling my friends, if I'm meeting them often, I actually track that, because that is the utmost priority for me, and that is something I really want to question myself every night. So that is something that I'm going to track here. And here will be essentially my savers routine. So if you don't know what is my miracle morning routine, please read up on it. If you want me to do a separate video, I can do that for you. So I follow the miracle morning routine in the morning as well as in the evening. So it's basically savers, so silence, affirmations, visualization, exercise, reading and scribbling. These 6 parts I will write for morning, and the same 6 steps I will write it in the evening. I may not follow the exact savers chronology, but I will definitely follow the entire savers for the morning and evening. It really helps me in the morning to kickstart my day and in the evening to wind down, both the things. I will let you know once my routine is more there. Currently my savers routine in the evening works brilliantly, but in the morning generally I fail, but that is not something that I want to do consistently. So in 2022 I intend to change that. Then I have the meals planner. This is again something that I'm not going to use. Please give me ideas if you have for using this meal planner, but essentially these pages are going to go blank. Finance tracker, I'm going to track my finances in my Neora planner. So this finance tracker, again, I'm not going to use it, but this grid generally comes in handy if I am prepping for an event, if there is something coming up and I have a long to-do list that I need to do. So this will definitely be used as my project planner, if not finance. Whenever I have any large project around the home or something large that I want to create, this is where my project planning will go. Blank pages, essentially currently I have no intentions. I may do a spread over here, just an art spread, but not every month, again very rarely, but art spread can go there. Recap again will go exactly the same. So now there will be continuation. Every month I'm going to use the planner exactly in the same way. There will be permutation combinations, of course, but at this point this is my intention. The shopping list, I really don't take the shopping list or don't write the shopping list. I always keep my shopping list on the top of my refrigerator in the same magnetic insert that I've shown in multiple videos. So that is something that I will use shopping list for. This essentially, I'm really intrigued to use them as stickers in this planner itself, or also bookmarks, because they're really great. If I've discovered new words in that books, I can actually write those words here, add to my vocabulary of sorts. So this is how I actually intend to do, but these are so pretty, I really want to use them as stickers as well, because they'll be such good looking stickers. So I may use them as stickers once I'm done using them as bookmarks. So either or, I will use them for sure. I don't have an intention to use these notes pages as well. So as and when things come up, I will use these notes pages. So I think that is it. This is how I'm going to use the Tall Elephant Planner. If you have any questions specifically regarding either morning routine or the Savers morning routine, Miracle morning routine, please put it in the comments box and I'll be happy to respond to you in detail and possibly make a detailed video on that. And if you watched my video till now, I'm really thankful to you. Thank you for supporting my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do consider subscribing. We are a community of big planner nerds. Bye now.